Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mintlayer token. Ticker symbol is ML. This token is being listed today on a central exchange. Brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the ML token got listed today, April 5th, 10 o'clock UTC time, on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, how you'd get this token is you'd simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search ML, and then you would simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, it got listed today, April 5th, 10 o'clock UTC time. If you want to find more details about this token, you can go over to their Twitter, at Mintlayer. They also have let's see here. There's an event here. Oh, so the Kickstarter event is completed right now on Mexc Global. So that is done here. You can check out the page on there. So it has the website on here at mintlayer.org/EN for English. Max total supply of this token is 400 million tokens. It says Mintlayer is a protocol focused on developing a decentralized finance ecosystem that leverages the Bitcoin and Lightning network. They have their Etherscan on here. Twitter is at Mintlayer, Telegram at Mintlayer. They have a Discord, and they have a full white paper which you can find at docs.mintlayer.org. So according to their Etherscan, right now 3,406 holders. Token price today is about 9 cents per token. Fully diluted market cap right now is $37,640,000. 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 400 million tokens. So Mintlayer is a long-term secure solution for scaling and accelerating the future of decentralized finance. Today, sustainability is rarely considered when designing blockchain technology. Consequently, we are presented with the problem where many existing and dominating networks face a cluster of issues. Blockchains are clogged, causing a spike in transaction fees, and their users face high barriers of running a node. This sacrifices the core feature of the blockchain technology, decentralization. So it says here, Mintlayer is creating the very first sustainable architecture for decentralized finance, inheriting its security model from Bitcoin. So they have the Mintlayer wallet. They show what the interface looks like for that. So Mintlayer is an open source project, and every developer is free to contribute. Fork the code base or create alternative software following the Consensus Protocol RFC. There are two first reference implementations released for desktop and mobile devices in the form of a full node and light node. The full node wallet is built to serve every user type, from validators, stakers and investors, traders, or simple Bitcoin holders. The mobile wallet application is made for average users with particular care for UX and UI. It also implements advanced functionalities such as transaction batching and decentralized exchange trading. Both types of wallets are non-custodial solutions, meaning that users can access their funds by managing their private keys independently, also by importing or exporting them from or to hardware wallets. Mintlayer wallets have multi-token support, including Bitcoin, the Mintlayer token ML, and all tokens issued or pegged on the chain. For security tokens or other tokens that require particular policies, it is possible to verify the decentralized digital identity, the DID, straight from the application. The private key of the DID can also enable a login to access the services of third-party providers. So the Light Wallet has batch transactions. You can store, send, and receive Bitcoin or other traditional Bitcoin wallet native SegWit support. It's got, let's see, you can send and receive the ML token, use the Lightning Network for transactions, and it has peer-to-peer exchange. Goes over the full node, so a Mintlayer full node offers all the Light Wallet functionalities, plus the following. You can stake, there's create custom smart contracts, connect to multiple oracles, all sorts of different things on here. So the ML token serves as the utility token for the ecosystem. So there's staking, you can stake the token, there's community engagement, there's ecosystem tools, there's farming. Token distribution is split up like this. 12.5% of the tokens go to team and advisors, 26.73% company reserve, 5% community incentives, 10% protocol development, 12% marketing and listing, 6.5% strategic sale, short vesting, 13% long vesting. Then we have 13.65% seed and 0.62% pre-seed. So that's how it's split up there. It goes over the vesting schedule. And then they have the roadmap on here as well. So they started with the Mintlayer idea, then dynamic slot allotment, conceptualization, DSA testing and prototyping, then the Mintlayer decentralized exchange prototyping, implementation of UTXO and BLS on substrate, testnet full node with basic POS consensus, launch of the Von Neumann testnet. Then last year we had new node code base to replace substrate started, mobile wallet version Bitcoin enabled, then mobile wallet support for Bitcoin Lightning Network, then library for the full node database, and then the token generation event, which just happened. So all those things just happened, and coming up in the future, starting in Q2 this year, we're going to have launch of Lovelace testnet, full node release, candidate for Linux, Windows, and Mac, MLS 01 and MLS 03 standards and testnet. Q3 this year, we're going to have mainnet launch, DSA consensus v.0. Q4 this year, wallet integration of ML and MLS tokens, basic atomic swap system. And then 2024 and beyond, we're going to have free gas market transactions, or 4 transactions, WebAssembly programmable pools, access control list for MLS 01, atomic swap DEX with distributed hash table, Lightning Network integration, MLS 02 confidential transactions, and so on. So it goes over the testnet, mainnet, atomic swap, Lightning Network, DSA consensus, nodes, all that stuff you could find on their webpage, mintlayer.org. And you can find this token newly listed today on Mexc Global. So check it out there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.